Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable the day-night by touch function on the ReadEra application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Click to the three line at the upper left corner of the screen and go to the settings button. In the reading section, you can find the sixth button, the next day-night by touch, switching color modes by touching the upper left corner. If you want to enable, click to the next white circle icon, and if it will be turned yellow, this function will be enabled, so you can switching the color modes by touching the upper left corner in the app. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.